Hi students, today we discuss oxides of nitrogen. First, dinitrogen monoxide, formula N2O. Oxidation state is +1. Here we can find the oxidation state of nitrogen, so we can put X. Here dinitrogen or monoxide containing 2 nitrogen, so we can write down as 2X plus oxidation state of oxygen is -2. We can write -2 in bracket, that is equals to 0. We can transfer this -2 in right hand side, then we can write down as 2x, that is equal to +2. 2 get cancelled, then x is equal to +1. So oxidation state of nitrogen in dinitrogen oxide as +1. This is a colorless gas and it is neutral in nature. Preparation method. When ammonium nitrate on heating form dinitrogen oxide and water molecule. Resonance structures of dinitrogen oxide. The dinitrogen oxide can be written as N double bond N double bond O. Here the nitrogen and oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electrons. This structure can also be written as N triple bond N bond O. Here oxygen containing 3 lone pair of electrons, nitrogen containing 1 lone pair of electron. Now we discuss nitrogen monoxide. Formula NO. Oxidation state is +2. X nitrogen oxidation state as say X plus oxygen oxidation state is -2, that is equal to 0. When we pass this -2 in right hand side, then we can write down as +2. So oxidation state of nitrogen in nitrogen monoxide is +2. It is a colorless gas. It is also neutral in nature. When sodium nitrite is reacted with sulfuric acid, form sodium hydrogen sulfate, water molecule and nitrogen monoxide and nitric acid as a final product. Now we can discuss the structure of nitrogen monoxide. N double bond O. Here oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electrons and 1 odd electron. This nitrogen containing 1 lone pair of electron. This structure can also be written as N double bond O. Here oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electrons, nitrogen containing 1 lone pair of electron and 1 odd electron. That means one of the odd electron that will be interchanging to nitrogen in this structure. That is the difference between these two structures. Now we discuss the dinitrogen trioxide. Formula N2O3. Oxidation state is +3. It is in blue color solid. This nitrogen trioxide having acidic in nature. How we can prepare it means, when nitrogen monoxide is reacted with nitrogen dioxide, form dinitrogen trioxide, or when 2 moles of nitric oxide is reacted with dinitrogen tetroxide, form dinitrogen trioxide. Structures. Nitrogen and nitrogen containing 1 bond pair of electron. Here nitrogen and oxygen, between the nitrogen and oxygen containing double bond and oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electrons. Here nitrogen oxygen containing 1 single bond and oxygen containing 3 lone pair of electron. This nitrogen containing 1 lone pair of electron, between the oxygen and nitrogen containing 2 double bonds and oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electrons. And one more resonance structure of this dinitrogen trioxide is as follows. Between nitrogen and nitrogen containing a single bond, nitrogen and oxygen containing a single bond, this oxygen containing 3 lone pair of electrons. Here nitrogen and oxygen between containing 2 bond pairs of electrons and oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electrons. Here between nitrogen and oxygen containing 2 double bonds and nitrogen containing 1 lone pair of electron, oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electrons. Now we discuss nitrogen dioxide. Formula NO2. Oxidation state is +4. It is a brown colored gas and it is acidic in nature. When lead nitrate on heating form nitrogen dioxide, lead oxide and oxygen as a final product. Structure N bond O. Here oxygen containing 3 lone pair of electrons and nitrogen containing 1 odd electron. Between the nitrogen and oxygen containing 2 bonds and this oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electrons. One more resonance structure can be written as between the nitrogen and oxygen containing 2 bonds, this oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electrons, between the nitrogen and oxygen containing 1 bond and this oxygen containing 3 lone pair of electrons, the nitrogen containing 1 odd electron. Now we discuss dinitrogen tetroxide. Formula N2O4. Oxidation state of nitrogen is +4. It is a colorless solid or a colorless liquid. It is acidic in nature. When nitrogen dioxide on heating undergo dimerization, here we can take 2 moles of nitrogen dioxide undergo dimerization, that means multiplication takes place here, form N2O4. Resonance structures between the 2 nitrogen containing a single bond. Here both the oxygen atoms containing 3 lone pair of electrons. Here these 2 oxygen atoms containing 2 lone pair of electrons. Between the nitrogen and oxygen here containing 2 bonds. Here between the nitrogen and oxygen containing a single bond. The resonance structure can be written as between the nitrogen and 2 nitrogens having a single bond. Here we can write down oxygens with nitrogen having a single bond in opposite direction. These 2 oxygen containing double bonds with nitrogen, here we can show in opposite direction. Now we discuss the dinitrogen pentoxide. Formula N2O5. Oxidation state is +5. This dinitrogen pentoxide is a colorless solid. It is acidic in nature. Preparation. When nitric oxide is reacted with phosphorus pentoxide, it is in dimeric form. Undergo a chemical reaction, form metaphosphoric acid and dinitrogen pentoxide. Now we discuss the structure. Dinitrogens, that means here between the 2 nitrogen containing 1 oxygen atom with 2 lone pair of electrons, nitrogen and oxygen containing a double bonds with 2 lone pair of electrons, between the nitrogen and oxygen containing a single bond with 3 lone pair of electrons. Here between the nitrogen and oxygen containing a single bond with 3 lone pair of electrons, between the nitrogen and oxygen containing a double bond with 2 lone pair of electrons. Here the structure can be written as between the nitrogen, oxygen and nitrogen and oxygen containing 3 lone pair of electrons. Here we can write down oxygen with nitrogen same side. In the above structure we can write down in opposite direction. Here the oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electrons. These are the resonance structures of dinitrogen pentoxide. In competitive exams, the expected questions are like that. What is the nature of oxides? What is the oxidation state of any one of the oxide? Any one of the gas, which will be, what is the state of these oxides? What is the nature of these oxides? In this way, we can expect in competitive exams questions, or we can also ask the resonance structures or the preparation methods in competitive exams. Thank you for watching this video.